Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a Boston Whaler 2026 250 Dauntless. This boat is white hull, red graphics, powered by a Mercury 300 V8. As you can see back here, this is a really nice, versatile area. It can be used as a swim platform, fishing deck, and both seats actually fold up and out. And this is a really comfortable seat sitting back here while underway. We've got our swim ladder. We've got live well in the middle, cup holders, rod holders at the back, freshwater washdown. The leaning post is a reversible leaning post. So depending on which way you want to sit, you can rock forward or backwards. And we have an additional live well here under the seat, which can be used as an actual live well or just cool storage. At the helm, we've got our 9-inch Simrad, our Mercury Vessel View, JL Audio stereo system, Simrad VHF, digital throttle and shift, and a really nice stainless steering wheel with speed knob on it. Up on the front, we've got our induction charger, USB ports, and this really nice black sea deck material which cuts down on reflection while you're driving with the windscreen. Above me, you'll see this really nicely framed hardtop with a storage bag underneath and map light. In the console, we do have a pump out head, and we've got rod storage, which goes through the head wall and up into this really nice lounge seat, which has a ton of additional storage. Lounge seat's got armrests, cup holders, open from the front. You'll see how deep that is with storage. We've got our front and bow shade going through into the head area compartment now, but you can also put your rods there. And then Whaler thought of the smart thing, putting the teak bow table right here underneath, which mounts up front at the bow seating. We've got our rod holders up here, stainless steel cup holders, stainless steel split bow rail. Really nice lounge seating area, whether you're facing back, and then these adjustable seat backs go up and down. Really comfortable here. We've got a fish box underneath this forward pad, and then our anchor locker here with our pulpit. Really versatile boat, great for fishing, inshore, or just lounging out day with the family. This is the 25 Dauntless 2026. Come on down to Westbrook and check it out.